That was great, Jacob. No problem.
Can I change, Mom?
No, you got that one. That counts.
Oh, well, you'll just try again.
Mom, can I go change?
Ready, buddy?
Oh! Missed
Service.
You gonna serve it? Totally awesome, Jacob. That was so good. Woo! Give me 5. Yeah. You're a tennis pro, all right. Ooh, he really is a tennis pro. Look at him throwing that temper tantrum.